Hari Om and Namaste. Today we will see how can we find out that whether my student name is there in the list or not. If the name is there, that means he has to give his exam. So we will go for the set 1, and here first we will look which subject is this. So that is science. Now I will open this. Now I have to find out. So for that I have to click on this Excel. If this application is not there, then you have to download it from the App Store or Play Store. So now once it gets open, so now I will find, for example, one name. Let's see whether this name is there. Yes, this name is there. So that means the student name is there. That means he has not appeared for the FA exam and he has to give his retest of FA. I hope now you all must have understood that how to search the name in each and every subject.